Hello students, today we will break fractions into partial fractions. Suppose we have 1 upon x minus a, x minus b, correct? So we will break this fraction a over x minus a plus b upon x minus b, correct? Now number 2, if you have 1 upon x minus a and x minus b whole square. So we'll break it a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b plus c upon x minus b whole square. If you have cube here, so first of all x minus b, then x minus b whole square, then plus d upon x minus b whole cube, correct? Now third type, 1 upon x minus a and suppose x square plus b here. So we can see here this is a quadratic polynomial. So we will break it a upon x minus a plus bx plus c upon x square plus b. Students, now we will do some numericals. Then you can do these type of questions. Minus b whole cube, correct? Now third type, 1 upon x minus a and suppose x square plus b here. So we can see here this is a quadratic polynomial. So we will break it a upon x minus a plus bx plus c upon x square plus b. Students, now we will do some numericals. Then you can do these type of questions. Over x plus 2. Now these two parts are equal. We have to find integration of this part. Now we will substitute the value of this. So we will get here I is equals to integral, in the place of x upon x plus 1 x plus 2 we can put minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 2 upon x plus. Students, now our question is integral x upon x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now we will break this fraction in three fractions. We can write here x upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equals to, we can write here a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 2 plus c over x minus 3, correct? Let this equation number 1. Now what will we do? Again we will take LCM of all these three fractions, three denominators. So LCM will be x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, correct? Now you will divide by x minus 1 in this denominator. We will get here x minus 2, x minus 3. So we will write here x minus 2 and x minus 3 into a plus we will divide by x minus 2. So we will get here x minus 1, x minus 3 into b plus now we will divide by x minus 3 in this denominator. So we will get here 3 x minus 1 and x minus 2, correct? Left hand side will be same, x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now this term will be cancelled out by this term. We will get here x is equals to x minus 2, x minus 3 a plus x minus 1, x minus 3 b plus c, x minus 1, x minus 2. Again same concept, we have to find the value of a. So we will put x equals to 1. Okay, to find the value of a we will put x equals to 1. To find the value of b we will put x equals to 2. To find the value of c we will put x equals to 3. So we are putting all the values in this equation. If we will put x equals to 1, so we will get here 1 is equals to 1 minus 2, so this will be minus 1. 1 minus 3, this will be minus 2 into a plus 1 minus 1, 0. So this whole part will be 0. 1 minus 1, so this will be 0. This whole part will be 0. Minus minus plus and this will be 2a equals to 1. the value of a will be 1 upon 2. Similarly, we will find the value of b. Now putting x is equals to 2. Students will put x equals to 2 here. So you will get here 2 is equals to 2 minus 2. This is 0 plus 2 minus 1. This is 1. 3 minus 2 minus 3. This is minus 1. B plus 2 minus 2 will be. Students, we have got here a equals to 1 by 2, b equals to minus 2 and c equals to 3 by 2. Now what will we do here? We will put all the values in this equation. We will get here x upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equals to the value of a will be 1 upon 2. है ना? And x minus 1 we will write plus the value of b is minus 2. We can write here minus 2 upon x minus 2 plus the value of c is 3 by 2 in denominator x minus 3. Students, we have to integrate this function, है ना? And this equals to this, so we can integrate this part. We will do this integral 1 by 2 x minus 1 plus minus, this will be minus upon x minus 2 plus 3 by 2 x minus 3. We have to integrate this part. So how will we integrate this function? This will be 1 by 2 outside the integral and 1 upon 1 minus x. This will be log x minus 1 minus 2 integral of 1 upon x minus 2. This will be log x minus 2 and integral of 1 upon x minus 3. This will be 1. This will be log x minus 3 and we will add here c. So beta, this will be the answer of this integral. Students, your second type question is integral x dx upon x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. Correct? You will break this fraction again in two or three equal parts. How will we break? We can write it x upon x minus 1 whole square and x plus 2. And I have told you one formula to break it. How will we break? First of all, we'll write here a upon x minus 1 means 1 power. Then we will take here b upon x minus 1 whole square plus c upon x plus 2. Correct? Now you can find the value of any two variables. Once we will put x equals to 1 and once we will put x equals to minus 2. So first of all, we are putting x equals to 1. So you will get the value of b here. When you will put x equals to minus 2, so you will get the value of c here. So first of all, putting x is equals to 1. But first of all, we will take LCM. LCM of this part. So what is the LCM? X upon x minus 1 whole square in second bracket x plus 2 and LCM of all the three denominators. This will be x minus 1 whole square and x plus 2. Students, we can divide by x minus 1 in this denominator and x minus 1 whole square also. We can divide by x minus 1 whole square in this denominator. Now dividing by x minus 1 in this denominator, so we will get here x minus 1 and x plus 2 into a plus dividing by x minus 2, x minus 1 whole square in this denominator. So this term is cancelled out by this term. So we'll get here x plus 2 into b plus dividing by x plus 2 in this denominator. So x plus 2 is cancelled out. We'll get here x minus 1 whole square into c. Now this denominator is cancelled out by this denominator. We will get here x is equals to x minus 1 x plus 2 into a plus x plus 2b plus x minus 1 whole square c. Students, we have to find the value of a, b and c. So we are putting x equals to 1. If you will put x equals to 1, so we will get here 1 is equals to 1 minus 1. This whole part will be 0. Correct? Plus 1 plus 2. So this will be 3. B and 1 minus 1. This will be 0 into c. This will be 0. Means value of b is 1 upon 3. Correct? Similarly, we will find the value of c. How will we find the value of c? You will put x is equals to minus 2. Correct? Means x plus 2 equals to 0. So x will be minus 2. You will put in this equation. So putting x equals to minus 2, so we will get here. We are putting here. These two are same equations. So we are putting x equals to minus 2 here. Minus 2 is equals to minus 2 minus 1. This is minus 3. Minus 2 plus 2. This will be 0. So this whole part will be 0. Correct? Minus 2 plus 2. This will be 0. Minus 2 minus 1. This is minus 3. Whole square will be 9. C. The value of C will be minus 2 by 9. Or you can write here C equals to minus 2 by 9. Now we will find the value of A. So what is the concept to find the value of A? We will put the value of B and C. We will put the value of B and C in this equation and we will put x equals to 0. Then you can find the value of A. Here we will use this concept. I am repeating again. We will put the value of B and C and x equals to 0 in this equation and we will get the value of A. Students, now putting x equals to 0, B equals to 1 by 3 and C equals to minus 2 by 9. So what will we get here? The value of x is 0 is equals to A. We have to find the value of x is 0. So 0 minus 1, this is minus 1. 0 plus 2, so this is plus 2. B, we have got 1 by 3 into x is 0 and the value of x, this is 0 minus 1 whole square. So we will do calculation. We will get here 0 is equals to minus a minus 2a. 2 1 ja 2 and this will be 2 by 3 and this will be 1 into the value of c is minus 2 by 9. Correct? We will solve this part. So 0 is equals to minus 2a. So this will be plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 9. So this part implies that this will be equals to 0 is equals to minus 2a and we are taking LCM of 9 and 3. So this will be 9. 3 3 is 9 and 3 2 is 6 minus 2. We can write here 0 is equals to minus 2a plus 4 upon 9. Transposing this 2a in left hand side, we will get here 2a equals to 4 upon 9. The value of a will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So this will be 2 upon 9. Students, now a is equals to 1 by 2, b equals to minus 1 by 2 and c is equals to 1 by 2. We will put all the values in this equation. So we will get here x over x minus 1 x square plus 1 is equals to the value of a is 1 by 2. Correct? This will be x minus 1 and plus the value of b is minus 1 by 2. So we can write here minus 1 by 2 x and plus the value of c. The value of c is 1 by 2 over x square plus 1. So students, you can write it. This is plus minus minus 1 by 2 x over x square plus 1. Okay, we will divide 1 by 2 by x square plus 1. So you will get here plus 1 by 2. In bracket we will get here x square plus 1 and this is 1 by 2 and x minus 1. This is the value of x upon x minus 1 and x square plus 1. In the place of this part, we can put this value. Means both the values are equal. We have to find integral of this part. These are same. We are putting the value of this part. So integral of x upon x minus 1 and x square plus 1 into dx. This is equals to this part. So integral of 1 by 2 x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 x then x square plus 1 and plus 1 by 2, this is x square plus 1. Students, now integrating this function with respect to x, integral of this part 1 by 2 x minus 1 integral of this part 1 by 2 and 1 upon x minus 1, this is log x minus 1, correct. Integral of this part, this will be plus 1 by 2, 1 upon 1 plus x square, this will be tan inverse x. Integral of this part will be tan inverse x, and this part minus 1 by 2, we'll do integral by substitution method. So integral of this part will be 1 by 2 log x square plus 1. So your final answer will be 1 by 2 log x minus 1 minus 1 by 4 log x square plus 1 and plus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. This will be our final answer. Now our third type question is x upon x minus 1 in second bracket x square plus 1. We have to find integral of this function. Now we are breaking this fraction in two parts. We can write here x upon, students, we can write here x upon x minus 1 x square plus 1. We know very well, we can write it a upon x minus 1 plus bx plus c over x square plus 1. We are breaking because this is a quadratic polynomial. So we are writing here bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Now what is the LCM of these two denominators? LCM will be x minus 1 x square plus 1. So this will be a x square plus 1 plus x minus 1 and bx plus c. In left hand side we will write here x upon x minus 1 and x square plus 1. Now this term is cancelled out by this one term. So this will be x is equals to a x square plus 1 plus x minus 1 bx plus c. So students, now we will find the value of a, b and c. To find the value of a, we will put x equals to 1. Because x minus 1 equals to 0, the value of x will be 1. We are putting x equals to 1, so we'll get here 1 is equals to a 1 square plus 1, this will be 2 plus 1 minus 1, this will be 0. Means the value of a will be 1 upon 2. Correct? Now we will find the value of b. To find the value of b, we will use one concept. We will do multiply in right hand side of these two brackets, correct. Then we will compare both the sides and we will get the value of a, b and c. You can write here x is equals to multiplying by a inside the bracket ax square plus a plus x into bx, this will be bx square, x into c, this will be cx, minus 1 into bx, this is minus bx, minus 1 into c, this is minus c. Students, now like terms we will write together a x square plus bx square. So x square is common, so we will write here a plus b x square. Now xx, we will write here c minus b x. Now a minus c, we will write here a minus c. So students, you can write 0 into x square in left hand side plus we have x in left hand side and constant term will be 0. Now comparing both the sides, we can write here a plus b will be 0 and c minus b, this is 1. If there is no any number, so we will write here 1. So c minus b, coefficient of x is c minus b and coefficient of x is here 1. So c minus b will be 1. Now constant term and constant term will compare to a minus c is equals to 0. The value of a plus b 0. The value of c minus b, this is 1 and the value of a minus c, this is 0. Students, you have got the value of 1 by 2. Correct? So we'll put the value of 1 by 2 here. So this is 1 by 2 plus b is equals to 0. The value of b will be minus 1 by 2. Now we will put the value of b here and we will get the value of c. C minus the value of b is minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1. So c plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1. C will be 1 minus 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. The values of a, b and c are 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2. Students, now we have got a equals to 2 by 9, b equals to 1 by 3 and c equals to minus 2 by 9. Now putting all the values in this equation number 1, correct? So the value of a, b and c you will put in this equation. You will get here the value of a, this is 2 upon 9 x minus 1 plus the value of b. What is the value of b? 1 by 3 x minus 1 whole square plus the value of c, this is minus 2 by 9. So plus minus, this will be minus, correct? 2 by 9x plus 2. Students, these two parts are equal. We have to do integration of this part. So we are substituting this value. In the place of this part, you can put this part. So integral x upon x minus 1 whole square x plus 2 into dx. We can put here integral 2 by 9 x minus 1 plus 1 by 3 x minus 1 whole square minus 2 by 9 x plus 2, correct? Now students, we have to find integration of this part. How will we do integration? This will be 2 by 9 in integral of 1 upon x minus 1, this will be log x minus 1 plus 1 by 3 and integral of, you will take this part in the numerator. So this will be x minus 1 to the power minus 2. So this will be x minus 1 to the power minus 1 upon minus 1 and minus 2 by 9 integral of 1 upon x plus 2, this will be log x plus 2. So students, after solving we will get our answer 2 by 9 log x minus 1 and this will be plus minus minus 1 upon 3. You can take this part in denominator. So you will write here x minus 1 and this will be minus 2 upon 9 log x plus 2 plus c. So this will be the integral of this function.